Now we're over to demonstrate our rigid substrates tower. We've broken this area down into three, with the first being metal and opaque substrates. What's really new at the show and folks are talking about is a little bit of the die bond. It has come out in a brushed stainless steel pattern. Many of you are familiar with the brushed die bond silver. This adds a little bit of flair to their existing line. What's also been real popular and a touch item is this diamond plate by Plaskolite. It's part of their FabBack series. There are some different decorative technologies that they are capable of doing, but do be aware some of these do require somewhat of a minimum run. The other very popular item here from a print standpoint is everybody wants cheaper substrate, but they don't want to give up any of the quality and the look of the surface. Coroplast has introduced about a year ago a product called Coropeg Smooth. And from that camera angle, the surface of this finish probably looks very much like Sintra. Next to it is a standard Coroplast product, and if you're up here a little bit closer and tight on the product, you can start to see the ridging on the panel on the right versus this smooth surface. There's no question if the Coropeg Smooth goes inside of a framed system to cover the edges, you'd probably be fooled it is a piece of Sintra from down on the floor. That pretty much wraps up our metal and opaque substrates. We're going to move over now to the clear and translucent acrylics tower.
So you want...
We brought Gary Lebrano over from our local New Orleans branch.
Hi, Gary.
Hey, Gary. Gary's missing his beads. Yeah, but that's kind of a local thing. Anyway, we're over here on the clear and translucent substrates board, and what this board allows our customers to do is look at some of the exotics. This product's gotten a lot of folks looking at it. When you look at the edge of this product, it changes its color to blue and keeps a pink on the surface. This also is showing our Lexan a little bit more of a higher end corrugated clear product that is printable with most ink technologies versus the Spectar and some of the standard acrylics. Gary, what are you seeing at the show? What are folks talking about?
Well, we had one digital printer complaining they can't print on acrylic. They want to know if we had a solution for them.
Okay, and that is probably one of the new products, and is the biggest complaint with folks coming over. They want to know, what can I do to print on acrylic? I don't want to spend extra time and money putting on some sort of a pre-coating for ink adhesion. Plaskolite is now offering Optics DA, the digital acrylic. You can see there are some large samples available as well when you call your local Optics representative that you can bring out to some of your flatbed customers. This is a flatbed only type product. Right now it's currently made in clear 118. It is rumored that white may possibly be under development, and this product is starting to sell in the marketplace right now. The inks adhere. The acrylic is clear as any standard and general purpose acrylics. You can glue it, polish it, everything as you would to the other acrylic, other than inks are going to stick onto it, and your customers are going to be very happy with the results. Get out there, get some samples, and show them to your print customers.
Don't tell them just try it, right?
Test it out. Get a sample. The last tower that we're going to talk about today is on the rigid substrates tower is the foam board substrates. We've put up here a small collection of some of the different foam boards from both Alcan Industries, Rand Whitney, and the Gilman Brothers Company. What most folks are talking about at the show today is this magnet receptive material. We actually got some pieces of magnet that we can put onto this foam board. It has what they call in it plastic steel, and you can put magnets on either side of this foam board depending upon how it's mounted or positioned onto a wall system. And again, we've got another Rand Whitney product over here. We talked a little bit on those on the Eco Shapes panel, and again, fully pulpable, recyclable paper products. And then we also have your standard Alcan Gator foams, and again, we keep hearing it time and time again. There's nothing like Gator foam. There's not a replacement for it necessarily, and folks are still very happy. So again, keep going out and push the entire line. There's a solution for every print company out there.